Oh, more Lucas. How we looking? Clear all this. Hmm. Chasing the cat. Uh, what did I see today? Monday. There's no much news. Just everything's headline right now. Pay attention to you. Secretary of Basin came out just now with some tweet that they're ready to continue buying the treasury bond if needed. So that is positive for the market. It'll cool down the 30 yields and 10-year yields. So we seen what happened last time when he mentioned that, and we got some of that. We saw TNX fell pretty hard, and we saw gold pop. So gold probably a better instrument to trade. And then we saw crypto doing really well still. Bitcoin. Let's see if gold got a pop from that information. Gold getting a pop soon, yeah. Gold looks good. Look at this. Look at this run from gold. My goodness. Gold's on a rocket ship right now. I think gold do hit a resistance near the 5,000 though. So still got some room up, but 5,000, I think we get resistance. I wouldn't chase it though. Bitcoin close to 80,000. We're gonna get a pop too. Should see some resistance here. Not chasing any of that either. Oh yeah, and Q is gonna be interesting today. See what it does. We have Nvidia earnings Wednesday. That's important for the AI trade, tech trade. Very important for Nasdaq. And then Thursday to Saturday, Thursday to Friday, sorry. Reggie Jackson Hall meeting for the Fed. Also first time for Fed Chairman Kevin Powell. I mean Kevin Powell, Kevin Walsh. So that's important. Jackson Hall event. There was some tweet overnight over the Strait of Hamas being traffic seeing 400% increase. The headline sounds better than what it actually is. That equates to about 25 vessel a day. Pre-war, it's 127 vessel a day. It's around well, more than 100. Let's just say it's around there. So if you're looking at that, you're like, wow, it's not that much. But at least there's some traffic, right? But it only takes one missile out of tanker and they'll stop it again. Uh, so let's not jump to conclusion that everything's back to normal or ramping up. It's really not. They are taking their chances. It's kind of a good sign. No one got shot yet, vessel, but still slightly positive news, I would say. Goes up to 428. Damn it, the gold ETF. Man, if it swung that damn thing gold at 400, just to break up the 400, just held it for like 2 weeks. Oh my god, you're getting paid. I should have done that instead. Man, I'm bullish on Google, but it's been stuck in consolidation for a while now. Walmart looks like a buy underneath around underneath 100, around maybe 100 and some change. I might be a buyer there for Walmart. Felt like that's oversold. Swing play. I'll just add to your position. The holiday season ramping up. Retail's gonna get some pop. More Chris. Yeah, let's have a good day, bud. Monday though, lately, that past 3 months been yucky. We've seen a lot of just chop, no real action. There's also no data using Monday's a slow week, slow day. Sorry, and nothing usually happens. Sometimes we get front running of the previous day because there's action, there's news the next day. So sometimes we get like a front running market. Sometimes we don't. Let's see if we get something today though. That'd be nice. If I do leave today, take my kids to school, and I didn't take a trade, I will come back and stream. I have time now. The whole last week it's just been a bunch of overtime. 12-hour day. It was exhausting. It's over with. Back to normal, sort of. Yeah. All right. Market open. Market open. See what it delivers. See what it delivers. Damn. And selling off early. Wow. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. SOH, SMK, they all selling off. Google popped here. I know. No, don't like it. Nvidia down. Microsoft down. I think it hit the London low here and popped. Really negative momentum so far. About 5 minutes looking dirty. There is a big gap down on the QQQ. It'd be interesting if it does fill a gap back up. If I see a momentum reversal, I like to see it move back up and fill the gap, which is at we're looking at. Yeah, possibly back in here the highs. That is a stick. Wow. All right, London low getting taken out. Bye bye. This market is not done selling. Wow. No. Nothing yet. Here we go. Mark the orbs. Morning, Sniper. Nancy Pelosi bought two more new stock. Bloom Energy and Intel. Those were two for stock. I mean, it did had a very good run though. Very good run. Oh man, this look like feel like a continuation down. SMH, it's okay. So it look like they're selling off. Tesla, Google. But then the Microsoft see a little pop here. Apple see a little pop here. Just Nvidia. So mainly technology and semi, they're selling off. Some of the Mag 7 already seen a reversal. That could lead to a choppy day. Gold seen a pop. 1.7%. Huh, SpaceX doing thing. DRAM down, MU down, Intel down. So those chips and memories are down. Yep, buddy. You can't see the stream. Um, Not sure why you can't. Everybody's on it. I see you on the stream. Might want to update your Discord, maybe. Everybody else can see my stream, right? All right. So yeah, it's just a M issue here. Might want to check your Discord connection, update. We're getting close below orb here too, Chris. You're correct, but I don't know. Don't. I feel like there is continuation, but like the market is telling me it's kind of sideways right now. Some of the Mag 7 is seeing a early reversal already. Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple. But SMH and broader tech is selling off. Broader tech, SMH is selling off. See how much that put a drag on Nasdaq and Nvidia selling off, and let's not forget that. God. Third candle down. Oh, big candle down for Nvidia too. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be a little patient here and wait. This is the first orb low. We kind of see a break here, right? I wanted to see a retest though after this. I want to see it come down a little bit more, then retest, confirm that break, and I'll go short. Nvidia is selling off hard here. It's probably gonna drag the lot of market down. Nvidia, yeah, 210 now. Want to see some displacement in this breakout. Paradise. Some reason I got Phil Collins stuck in my head. So far, it's showing us could possibly a red day. But QQQ down already 1.29%. That's a big gap down, a continuation. So it's looking bearish. All, ooh, nice. All right, now I want to see a pullback, retest the zone, get a good rejection, and then we go short. No, some people just trade the breakthrough. They will probably enter here. The short would have got paid. I like to be safe and wait for retest. A good target, 28,837. Uh, Trump is imposing 50% tariff on Canada. We're back of tariff now. We can never get a cool market. All right. So if you did short there, very nice. That's one of risk of 1 or 2. I'm waiting for the pullback now. The retest. He's hiking Canadian cars and steel, 50% tariff. That's cool. See where's Weebop is at. Ooh, Weebop's way up there. See where Weebop is at on the QQQ. On the QQQ, it's around 706. Around here, down here. TNX is falling. Huh. Bond yields responding. TOT long. I'm gonna try TOT. Yeah, I'll try. Try it. TOT. T2 calls. 82. 50 to 14 cents. Dang. I think we see a pop though. $82.15. I'll try it. Oh, it's too cheap though. I'll try it. All right, TO2 $82.50. Calls. Let's see if we can get the pump here. Looking for almost 82, 89 around there. ZODT today. Yep. All my contractors are using zero TD. So it's for 824. Sorry. 824. Yeah, it's today. It's for today. It's pretty cheap right now. You can risk like $50. Want a stronger pull, a lot stronger bounce than that though. All right, that TO2 call is more than 20% now. %, 33% now. Oh, nice nut pop here. Wow. Marvell earning coming up. Okay. This is very weak bounce. Nvidia, SMH, XOK, yeah, very, very small bounce here. Very weak attempt for a bounce. I'm still waiting for that short. So far, so good. Looking good. There's a 1 minute fair gap here. There's another one up here. SPY looking a lot better on a reversal here. We traced almost 50% move down. Nothing yet, guys. I just be patient. I'm seeing Apple pushing higher, Google pushing higher, Amazon pushing high, Google pushing higher. So Mag 7 is definitely trying to support here. SMA checks okay, still nothing yet. They're trying to stage a bounce here, but failed. Broader semis and technology is selling off, while Mag 7 is doing pretty well. Market is not in alignment. So look at the spot. That's why you see SPY recover at least halfway, while QQQ barely, right? Because broader tech and semis and memory chips are actually down. So it's being a bigger drag to NASDAQ. While SPY, we're already chased about halfway. Because the Mag 7 is more weighted in the SP 500, not broader tech. Our TT should be up about, yeah, still 30%. We're setting 1% right now. $50. You want to take that profit? Oh, not bad. I want to see 82.70 at least before I trim. We'll see it break out its highs. Oof. Oof. Look at that. Wow. Looking nasty. Push failed. Oh, I'll be back. Look like we're just shorting. GT's not moving anywhere either. Buying also selling off here too. I'm gonna go short SPY. I'm gonna go short here too. I'm in short. Let's take that. Have a ooh. Anyway, stop and release the 500. Stop. Triple bottom. I think it breaks. It's SPY is selling off too now. So I'm looking at that also. The market. I can see finally breaks down, make a new low. 1 minute definitely looking like a triple bottom, but I don't know. If it's trying to stage a comeback long, it's not doing a good job. So I'm in short. Yeah, 5 con. So I'm gonna go 5 and then definitely trim really fast and then hold 2. That's the idea. But yeah, risking $680 right now. $29,023. TB is at 840. SPY short. SPY put 763. What? I'm in danger. Uh, Buy puts up 11% now. Mm, not looking good. I see tiny little bounce. XOK, SMH here. SPY also see a little bounce here. So definitely not looking good. I understand you guys want to cut it now. I'll just strong bounce to the range. Most likely stop out now. Triple bottom for sure.
Order filled.
Yeah, got stopped out. Ah, we didn't get the continuation break. Damn it. All right, that account is going to be locked. That took up my SPY puts too. SPY puts down too. Yeah. Fuck. We really hit the bottom here. It's stronger bounce than previously before, but I still don't trust it. I think we still get rejection near the orb. So I'm still looking for short. Paul on the next entry. Let's just do a weak rally. Retesting VWAP here to on the QQQ. 705. Well, I gotta go soon, but what I'm looking at is probably possible short near the or below. This area doesn't look like I'm gonna be trading this area here after that being stopped out earlier. Unless it breaks this again, the triple bottom, then I'll jump in. I'll take that down. So scenario is too short, but let's say it come back to or below. I'm looking at the short off that rejection, or the next setup is going to be if we break under these triple bottom here and see a continuation down. Then I'll probably catch that wave continuation down to this next level here, which is at 840 around there. I'm looking for that play. So those are two plays I want to play right now. Is consolidating in this zone. So no trade within here. And I'll probably see you guys back later, but that's my idea. Gotta take my kid to school. See ya.